Victoria's race to get vaccinated has hit a bump in the road. While hundreds turned out to get jabbed at this old Ford factory which opened in Broadmeadows, it was revealed around 10,000 people aren't showing up to their appointments each day, double what it was a week ago.
Getting vaccinated today is better than joining the queue in a fortnight.
But as case numbers climb, along with the toll on Victorians, at least one expert has stepped away from his support of the hard and fast lockdown, suggesting it might be time for a rethink by early next month.
Another option is that we could just relax to a soft lockdown, which would look like more industry back at work, a bit more time outside, abandoning curfews.
But the Premier isn't exactly keen on the idea of a lighter lockdown to bridge the gap until our vaccination rates hit the magic mark.
You start to open up and it won't be bubbling, it'll be raging. We don't have the supply and Delta will move faster than we can vaccinate people.
There were 22 mystery cases in Victoria today, double the day before, showing the virus is spreading into more Melbourne suburbs.
Just because it doesn't lead the news doesn't mean it isn't dangerous for you in your locality.
Health authorities are urging young men in the western suburbs to get tested, particularly in Newport and Altona North.
If you're active in the community, if you're in your 20s and your 30s, if you're connected to the footy club, if you're connected to the gyms, if you're active in the community, please come forward and get tested.
The focus on young people is for good reason. 21 of the 29 people in hospital are under the age of 50, including a baby.
We've also got examples of children, collapsing at school and vomiting at school. That's how ill they are.
As more hospitals become exposure sites, including St Vincent's in Fitzroy, there are more than 450 staff from the Royal Melbourne Hospital in isolation as that cluster grows to at least 10. There are serious concerns about staff shortages.
There's huge pressure on the Royal Melbourne with hundreds of staff being furloughed, staff being told they need to come in even though they're close contacts.
Shepparton's Notre Dame College is the third school to close in that area after a student tested positive. The outbreak there has ballooned to 36.
We want to understand as quickly as we can about how the virus is moving through the community.
While hopes of Victoria's lockdown ending as planned are fading fast, health authorities are adamant they haven't lost control and are still hopeful they can get a ring around this outbreak by the end of next week. Bridget Rollison, ABC News, Melbourne.